Twilio versus Plivo. Which one is better? In 2025, communication APIs are the backbone of business messaging, and two big names stand out, Twilio and Plivo. If you're trying to choose between them, here's a clear side-by-side comparison to help you decide. First up, Twilio. It's the industry leader known for its powerful set of APIs for SMS, voice, email, and even video. It's trusted by major enterprises and developers who want complete control and deep customization. Now, let's talk about Plivo. Plivo offers similar capabilities, SMS, voice, and phone number provisioning, but with a major focus on cost efficiency. Its API is easier for beginners to set up, and it's often praised for cleaner pricing and faster customer support. Twilio uses a pay-as-you-go model and charges for both incoming and outgoing messages, while Plivo, on the other hand, usually comes out cheaper with competitive international rates and free inbound SMS in many countries. Both platforms are reliable, but Plivo often gets the edge in simplicity and quicker implementation, and Twilio still wins on ecosystem depth and developer tools, especially for complex integrations. So which is better? Go with Twilio if you need maximum flexibility, a wide set of APIs, and don't mind paying more for scalability. Choose Plivo if you want similar features with lower costs and easier onboarding. Thanks for watching.